Today I'm going to be building up my Eastern bike, and after that I'll make a review on it. And right now I'm a time-lapse me putting this bike together. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, here is the final finished product of the Eastern Lowdown. I would recommend this bike because it's in a good price range. It's a 2017, so it is on sale. It's like 23% off, something like that. So it's a really good deal. It used to be $230, and I got it for $179. And I recommend you get it because overall it looks like a pretty decent bike. And yeah, so now I'm gonna get into the test ride of it, do a bunny hop and a couple other tricks. Yeah, it's pretty good. I think the bars moved a little bit. That's probably because I didn't tighten them very well. But yeah, I got a pretty good bunny hop out of that. I'll do another one for backside view so you can see it. I do think the bars moved a little bit. Yeah, maybe. But that's probably from new paint, and that happens with all new bikes. It's when the paint just rubs off. That's easy for the paint. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, fixing that, and yeah, overall, it's a pretty decent bike. It's really nice colors. I would probably invest in one because most BMX bikes are pretty expensive. So I would go with one of these because it's a pretty decent bike for the price. I mean, you can go higher if you want a better bike, but I mean, it's a pretty good bike for whatever style of riding you want to do. So yeah, I would recommend it, definitely. Overall, it's a nice bike.